Welcome friends, welcome to online learning box. And today I'm going to teach you a very new type of video tutorial, and in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you how to draw networking diagram or anything else, and you can easily make money by this trick. Okay, you can just go to this website, eDraw eDraw, something like that. Okay, and see, I'm just trying to give you some demonstrations. How can you make money? How can you make something new? Okay, see here you can easily make something that is mind map. It is very important. Data visualizations, project management. Okay, and you have nothing, no need of extra knowledge about this. Okay, so you can go to this download eDraw Max, Mind Master, Infographics, everything is here. Okay, so eDraw flowcharts, and programmer also need this when you are making any program or just previous of programming. This is very important to making a very illustrative flowcharts to understand your program. Okay, so something like that. So it's a very useful website and useful things. You can see some infographic flowcharts here. See, for the MBA students, decision making is a very important part of their study. So you can easily make some decision making illustrations, decision making flowcharts here. See, there's a lots of video tutorial here. I'm just helping you how you can make money. So there's a portions how the question arises in your mind, how can you make money by this infographic. You can make this infographic, and you can know the fever.com, fever something like fever gig. You can make gig here and post it this gig here, and you can easily make money. Millions and millions make money by this. So I'm just demonstrating you how can you make money by this eDraw program. So first of all, see eDraw, and you can just post something. This one. There are lots of projects. You can search, convert PhD and Photoshop. Okay, there's a lots of project you can search, and you can post a unique gigs here, something like that. I can make your flowcharts. Okay, so you can post and add it here. Then I can make your flowcharts for your program. I can make your see, I can make see some diagrams here, infographics for your projects. Science illustrations is a very very good thing in educational field. See, this is their to
when you walk into the eDraw Max symbols world,
there's a very interesting thing. See, this art diagram, this is a very needful. You can make slides and sell it here, and this is a very innovative idea. So I share you with my knowledge and my point of view that you can make money by this website. Okay, so you can go to Fever, so and post that you can what you can, okay, you can flow charts, you can draw flow charts for their programs, draw flow charts, or mind map is a very interesting thing for your memory mapping or mind mapping. Mind map is a very important for children learning. You can post here that I can manage your books through mind maps. Very see here, you can post and make gigs, and there is a very become a seller, sign in, become a seller, and put your gigs here. And this is a different kind of matter. I'm just putting your mind here that you can make money by this idea, okay. So there are lots of diagram, you can science illustrations, I have discussed it before. So card, so this is a card. Just go to my desktop, and I have already downloaded this download this program here. So just cut this item. So here it is. There is actually trial version, okay. So see no it see there's a you can make card, business card here. So very important thing, you can make lots of business card examples, take examples here, clip art, lots of clip art here. You can create and upload your clip art, own clip art when you are drawing or illustrated something, okay. And one very important thing, graphic design here, an organizer, and industrial automations, infographics, very interesting thing, okay. Fashion design, okay. You can make dresses here, girls dresses, okay. So I want to show you something. I want to show you something that industrial or infographic maps. See, this is a very interesting thing. You can make map here. If you want to drag this here, if you do not want here, drag this here. If you want to put a bank here, to drag this. Basically it's a very simple thing, okay. You can drag and drop, you can just drag and drop, okay. See, if you need a building here, so you can put a building here. You can write down something, some text. If you want to write some text, you can text here, okay. My home, okay, something like that, sorry, something like that, okay. If you want to drag this one, you can also delete this portions if you do not need, an adding page also available here. So okay, there's a grid. Now just I'm going to back this 3D don't save, and now cut it here. Just go to this home, insert, you can insert pictures. So just you can see this type of map. You can just click here, create. So it's creating your home map, okay. So if you want to put a car, there's a put and top view angle. This is a top view angle, okay. This is a very interesting and amazing thing, okay. So you can build a gradient here. So basically it's need for the graphic designer, picture texture, pattern field. You can put some RQ codes, something like that, PayPal, RQ codes, you can make PayPal RQ codes, you can make Paytm RQ codes, QR codes, sorry, QR codes, then your customer can scan it and make a payment for you. So it's a very interesting. You can put Wi-Fi, card, phone number, amazing thing. Okay, very interesting. So you can insert images from your computer, insert hyperlink also. You can create a hyperlink. Okay, and now today in this sessions I'm going to show you how can you put your networking design. So just don't save and go to this file and back sorry open new recent from computer personal cloud and blah blah blah, and you can option here import, here exit. Okay, now I'm going to just here. So this is network. Okay, just go to this template. Okay, there's adding all of this thing. You can add switches here for your network. It is actually AWS services. So you can insert page layout, fit for this page layout for this print. Okay, go to this open new. This is, if you going on new, you can find everything else here. So everything is very amazing thing. Okay, basic network diagram. Go to this basic network diagram, create, and see it is creating basic network diagram. Then you can see this is Ethernet. This is for your internet. You can check it here, internet. Okay, if you want to delete this, right click, just right click, and you can put a router. So you can put here a router. Okay, then you can put switch, bridge. So there's a Wi-Fi device, firewall. So firewall. Okay, there's the IP address. You can change this IP address by clicking here and change this IP address and hyperlink. Okay, and you just go to this fiverr.com or anything freelancer, any freelancer website, and put your customer and convince your put your customer and this design gigs. Okay, sorry, gigs. Put your gigs there and tell your customer, then I can do your work easy. I can make mind maps, I can make this diagram for you, and this is a very unique thing. You can easily make money. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It is really give me inspirations for the next creative video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.